Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on day. Today I there, and as I come across some cassette when me they have ya. Yes, man. Me come across some cassette when me have ya. See them ya? And some of them me have a bit case feed. See there? You had to push your cassette in a case, and that's how we used to keep them. But you know what? It took me down a memory lane. I remember when we used to put we cassette in a we cassette player. They say already I don't have one, but me know someone who understand or someone who can relate to what me I say. And sometimes you put your cassette in a cassette player, man. And make I tell you something, when it start reload, you know, remember? When it start reload, and that's when you just hear music, music sweet, and it just start reload and you hear it sound. And then you have to take it out, and I know all of them you can reel in, but if you can reel it in back, you take one like a knife or one stick or one pencil, and you reel in back your cassette and you put it in back and you listen your music or whatever you are listening to. Them your memories, drop a line below and tell me if you don't remember them your cassette you back in idea. And nobody asks no picnic or they wouldn't even remember this year. Because right nowadays they have iPod where they can stream music from Spotify, and them the same thing there. Me not even understand them the same thing there, but you no get the point. Me I tell you say, we come a long way, a long way. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day.